Hey, what's up, guys? Today we'll be learning the Orion count. The Orion count is actually a really good false count. It's practical and it can be used anywhere. Let's keep the intro short and let's just get into it. So today we'll be learning the Orion count. This is what the Orion count looks like. I have 1 jack of diamonds, 2 jack of diamonds, 3 jack of diamonds and 4 jack of diamonds. But if I give it a quick flick, I now have 1 jack of clubs, 2 jack of clubs, 3 jack of clubs and 4 jack of clubs. So that was the performance with the Orion count. The Orion count is essentially a false count in which you show the spectators that you have 4 of the same cards in your hand. Like in this version I'm showing them that I have 4 jack of diamonds in my hand. But obviously that's not the case. I have the 4 jacks in my hand. So this can be used to show that you have, let's say, 7 of the same cards in your hand, but the truth is that you have different cards in your hand. So basically you're showing the same face to the spectators again and again. It is like the frustration count, but just a little more flashy. You can also do this with backs. Like, let's say I have this red back over here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red backs, but the truth is I have 4 whites and 1 red back. So that's what the Orion count is. So let's get into learning it. For this, you can use any card you like, doesn't matter. Here's how you start. You start in dealer's grip, but your index finger moves to this corner over here. The fleshy part of the index finger touches the corner over here, and then you come over with your other hand and your thumb contacts the opposite corner like this. So now the packet is held like this. You start off by doing 1 packet rotation like this. So here's what you do. You take your thumb, you push until it is this way, as in the packet does a 180, and then to complete the rotation, take your middle finger and push all the way so it completes a 360. Right, so that's your first rotation. Now after the first rotation is over, you peel off 1 card. Here's how you do it. You place your thumb right over here and then you strip out 1 card. So in the motion of stripping out 1 card, you notice that this packet does like a 90 degree rotation like this. To complete the rotation, alright, so you complete the first rotation, you strip out the first card, this packet already starts rotating. To complete the rotation, here's what you do. You push with your index finger on the face like this, and then take your middle finger and on the back and start pushing. So here's how you do the second rotation. Okay, you peel again, push with your index on the face and with your middle on the back like this. So that is how you show the 4 faces. So in full speed, that's what it looks like. That's like super fast, but so the spectators, you slow it down a bit. You tell them like 1 jack of diamonds, 2 jack of diamonds, 3 jack of diamonds and 4 jack of diamonds. And then when you snap your fingers or flick whatever, then suddenly you have jack of clubs. And then you can do the Orion count again to show them that now you have 4 jack of clubs. So yeah, you can also do this with a different back as well. It can be, so yeah, this is exactly like the frustration count, but the frustration count, what am I doing? It is exactly like the frustration count, just a little more flashy. You can also use a certain trick. Let's say you have the 4 jacks and 1 random card over here. So you place the random card on the bottom, you show them that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 of diamonds, and suddenly when you turn the cards over and snap, the 10 of diamonds turn into the 4 jacks. So that's a neat little trick you can do. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. The Orion count is one of my favorite false counts. The frustration count is, yes, it is similar, but I don't like the frustration count because, well, I think it's too plain, but the Orion count is much more flashy, and I really like doing this count. The count is very practical as well because you can use this in real life scenarios as well. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and share this video. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to hit 100 subs. That's about it, and I will see you all next time. Bye.